Testing, testing. 1, 2. Testing, testing. 1, 2. Hi guys, this is your girl, Nubian Princess. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a very, very long time since I have chatted with you guys. So I wanted to come on here and basically do a brief lock extension update on what my journey is like right now. As you can see, my hair is longer and it's not red anymore because I decided to go back to natural black. And then I also started my second install because the first one was just shitty. So anyways, the first install that I had, I got it done June 10th of 2022. And I was able to keep that in for about 14 months. And while I had it in, it was itching. Anytime it touched my neck, it was just horrible. My scalp was on fire. I came up with an oil that I am going to definitely put back on sale. In the meantime, while I was going through my issues, the oil definitely helped with the itchiness and all that. But I found that it was actually the hair. The hair texture and the hair quality was not great at all. That hair, they claimed that it was human hair. It was not human hair. It was like very synthetic to the feel, to the touch. Even after about 12 months, it was still kind of stiff. It loosened up, but it didn't loosen up at all. Like not a lot, just a little bit. So sorry, I'm getting over a cold. I think I might have had COVID. I'm not sure, but it was really, really bad. And I was out for like 1 week. So I'm just now getting my strength back. So anyways, going back to my story, I had the extensions, the first install on my hair, and everything was okay, except for the itchiness. It just itched. Like, it was just like my hair was always on fire. And again, like I said, the stiffness never really went away. It went away, let's just say out of 100%, the stiffness went away about 25%. But 75% of the lock extensions was still very, very stiff. So I tried to manage it. I even went as far as to cut it and then just try to rock my own hair. And when I cut it at first, I thought I had cut my hair. But it was not until I got the second install that I realized that locks are like it will trick you. Because, babe, how long was my lock? It was like this. But when I loosened it, yeah, it was about 4 inches. But when I loosened it, I had a lot more hair. Like, my boo was like, I didn't know you had this much hair. So anyways, for the second install, I got the second install. I'm gonna put the date in this video. I can't remember. I have to look at my text message. But it was like luck. It was like by God, because there's a loctician who travels. So as he travels, he happened to be coming to the location I was I was at. So I just happened to just message him. I said, let me just try and see how much he's going to charge me to get lock extensions. And plus, since the currency is different over here, the amount is going to be cheaper. So make a long story short, he did my hair. I'm going to give you a price range. I'm not going to give you, well, actually, you know what? I'm going to be real with you guys. It cost me about $400 to get my hair done. $400. And that came with the extensions. And he did it at his hotel because, like I said, he was not at home or at the salon. So he was traveling to do another client's hair, and he fit me into his schedule. And he just happened to have extra lock extensions. So I had already told him I had about 79, 80 locks. And I told him that most of them are medium, but then I have a few that are skinny. I have like 2 or 3 that are like skinny. So he was like, yeah, I definitely have the locks to match your hair dimensions. So I hit him up, and at first I wasn't gonna do it, and my boo was like, just do it. Like he's so supportive. Like whatever it is that I want to do, he'll tell me to do it. So like play, right? I got the install done, and I'm gonna put the date of when I got the install done. I'm also gonna put like a short clip of the video of him installing my hair. But he did such a great job. He did the hair in about 4 hours. The longest part of the install was when he had to wash the hair and style it. Other than that, the install did not take that long. But what he did say was I had loosened, because I had to, loosen the end of my actual locks. He said I had loosened it too much. So I was kind of happy, because that meant that there was more hair that he was going to have to attach to the locks. So I felt like my locks are like really, really secure. So I was happy that I did too much, because he was like, you only need about an inch loosen. And I went overboard and I loosened a lot. So I had like this much hair. So once he attached my locks, he also styled it, and it was perfect. I actually went to him twice. The first time he attached my locks, he styled it. And then the second time I had to do something, so he styled it for me again. And the second time when he styled it, he charged me roughly about $50 in US dollars, but in their currency. So I was so happy. So that's why I said at the end of the day, my total amount that I've spent on my hair is roughly about $400. And the lock extensions that he installed in my hair are absolutely beautiful. He gave me about 8 inches, 8 or 10 inches. I think he gave me 8 inches. So with the 8 inches combined with my 4 inches, I have about 12 inches worth of locks. So, all right. Sorry about that. My phone space, I gotta manage my videos. I have a lot of videos. So anyways, like I was saying, I definitely don't regret getting my second install. I wish I would have done the second install as the first install, because by now my hair would have grown. Sorry, my boo is on the phone, babe. So I wish I would have done the second install as the first install, but it's all good. So right now I'm on my second journey. I'm gonna put the date that I started up here. And I cannot wait to see what it looks like in about 6 months as well as 12 months. But every month I'm going to update you guys. I'm going to tell you guys what it looks like, the progress, what I'm dealing with. There's no itchy scalp going on right now. The only thing that I'm dealing with is the fact that it's longer, and where I'm at, it's hot, and that's okay, because I'm going to have to go back to the cold soon. So other than that, that's all I'm dealing with. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for supporting me. I see you guys. I see all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. And stay tuned for my second install and my second journey. And I do apologize for the noise in the background. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. I'm definitely going to be posting more videos. I was busy for the past few months, but now you got me. I'm back. Your girl is back. Your girl is back, back, back. Your girl is back like she never left before. Yeah. Yeah. Stay tuned. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.